Hi there, I'm Lucy McDonald, physiotherapist. Welcome back to my virtual clinic. Today I'm going to be showing you the best exercises for your shoulder pain. But before I do, I want to say thank you very much, as ever, for your lovely messages of support. I really do appreciate them. Before you watch this video, please make sure you've watched my last two videos on what's causing your shoulder pain, and also, most importantly, the video on when you need to get your shoulder pain checked out immediately by a doctor. So when is your shoulder pain an emergency? Please don't follow any of the exercises in this video until you've watched that video. So first things first, my first favourite exercise for shoulder pain involves mobilising the joints and the muscles and all the structures in your upper back and your neck. That's because the shoulder function is so reliant on those areas, but also, as you know from my previous videos, the pain can actually be coming from your neck or your upper back. So sitting in a chair, sitting about halfway round, gently turn your body to grab the back of the chair and then pull yourself around. Then take your body round the other direction and pull yourself around. There should be no pain when you're doing the exercise. If you want to learn more about the exercise, please do go to the Octopus Clinic website and put in the words chair twists and you'll see it in more detail. The next one involves looking at your shoulder stability. So what I'd like you to do is to sit in front of a mirror and look at the position of your shoulder. It's highly likely that your shoulder might be slumping forwards a little. So if it is, please correct it, lift it up and bring it back into that position. So bringing your shoulder up and back, not down and back, but up and back. Hold it there using the muscles of your shoulder as you bring your arm forward. As you bring your arm forwards, don't allow your whole shoulder to come forwards, but instead just keep that shoulder in place as you move your arm upwards. My next one is a lovely stretch for the top of the back and the shoulders. So again, sitting in your chair, taking your hands in front of you, letting your arms come forwards, letting your shoulder blades separate, bring your arms forwards. Take your chin down to your chest. It all should be completely pain-free, but should give you a nice releasing sensation across the top of your neck and your upper back. So those are my top 3 exercises. There's a whole section on the Octopus Clinic website on shoulders, so please do go onto there and check them out. In the meantime, please do press that subscribe key, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!